Hello guys, I'm here again with another math trick. In my previous videos, we discussed the easy trick for finding squares of any numbers. Now, we are going to discuss the easy trick for finding the square root of any numbers. Let's go to the video. Before that, you should remember some important tips. You know the squares of numbers from 1 to 10, right? Here, 1 square is 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, then 9 square, 81, and 10 square is 100. Okay, look at the squares, the last digits of the squares. Okay, using this list of squares, I'm going to prepare a separate table. Look at these squares. Find the square which end with 0. Here only 10, right? So 0 ends with 0, only 10 square. Then check the square end with 1. 1 here and 1 here. So square end with 1 are 1 and 9. Then 2. There is no square end with 2, right? So no need to write 2. Then how about 3? 3 also, there is no square ends with 3. Now 4. What is the squares end with 4? When it's 2 square and then 8 square. So 2 and 8 ends with 4. Now 5. Square end with 5 is 5 square, which is 25. So 5. Then 6. What is the squares end with 6? One is here 16. So 4 square. Then 36. So 6 square. 4 and 6 ends with 6. 7. There is no square end with 7. Then 8. There is no square end with 8, right? Okay. 9. Square end with 9 are 3 square and 7 square. Then 0 to 10. It's done. Okay. So just remember this. Make it in a box. And this table you always remember. This will help you to find the square root easily. Now let's check how to find the square root easily. I'm going to erase this one. Take one example. Find the square root of 1296. Okay, I'm going to write the number here. 1296. Okay, for finding the square root, first check the last digit of our square root. Here it is 6. So go to our table and find the square which ends with 6. Here square ends with 6 are 4 and 6, right? So the square root of this number, the second digit of the square root of this number, it should be 4 or 6. So we can just write it as, here there is two possibilities. One is the second digit of our square root is 4, or it should be 6. We are not sure which is our answer. Okay, so we got the possibility for second digit. Now for finding the first digit, take the first two digits of our square. Here 12 is the number here. So we know 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So 12 is in between 9 and 16, right? So our answer should be in between 30 and 40. It will not exceed 40 because the 12 is smaller than 16, right? So we are sure it should be 30 plus. So we can write 3 as our first digit. So the possible square root is 34 or 36. Now for confirming the second digit, we know it's 3. The first digit is 3. So multiply this first digit with its next number. Number after 3 is 4, right? So 3 times 4 is 12. If the product of these two digits is smaller than, if this product is smaller than the first two digits, we can choose the small number, and if it is bigger or equal, then we will choose the second, the big number. Okay, here the product is 12 and our first two digit also 12, which means these are same. So we will take the big number as the square root. So square root of 1296 is 36. If you want to check the answer is correct or not, you can just try. 36 square. We know easy trick to find the square, right? 6 square is 36. Then 3 times 6, 18. Double means 36 plus 3 is 39. 3 again balance. Then 3 square is 9 plus 3, 12. I just found the square in easy way. The method of finding square in easy way I explained already in my previous video. If you want, you can check the video. I will give the link below. Okay, so we got 36 square as 1296 and we got the same answer here. So our method is correct, right? Okay, let's check another example. Find the square root of 6889. Here I will just write the number here. Check the last digit is 9. The square which ends with 9, 3 and 7. So the second digit, the possibility for the second digit are 3 or 7. Now for finding the first digit, here 68. 68 is 8 square is 64. Then 9 square is 81. 68 is in between 64 and 81. So we can take the small number because it will not exceed the 90, right? So take the small number which is 8. So here our possible answer are 83 or 87. Now for confirming the second digit, here multiply the first digit 8 and after the number after 8 is 9. 8 times 9 is 72. The product of these two is 72 and our first two digit is 68. We know 68 is smaller than 72. If the number is smaller than our product, we will choose the small number. Here small number is 83. So square root of 6889 is equals 83. Okay, easy, right? Let's try one more example. Find the square root of 5476. Okay, here 5476. Our last digit is 6. So square end with 6 are 4 and 6. So here we can just write is 4 6 as the second digit. Now for the first digit, here it's 54. 54 is in between, say 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. 54 is in between 49 and 64. So we will just take the small digit, small square, which is 7. So our answer may be 74 or 76. Now 7. Our first digit is 7. So 7 times 8. Next to 7 is 8. Then 7 times 8 is 56. Which is here our first two digit is 54. 54 is smaller than 56, right? So if it is small, we will choose the small number. Our small number is 74. So square root of 5476 equals 74. Very easy, right? We are finding the square root within seconds. No need to divide one by one, or no need to memorize the squares. This is the very easiest method. You can follow this one. I hope this trick is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video. Bye bye.